Friends, so finally a very important updates coming forward related to TCS NQT 2026. So finally next phase has means result has been out. So if you are the candidates who have given interview, check your mail whether you got or not and comment your reason and on what date you are having interview. So this is actually one of my candidates who have participated in my mock interview and finally she got selection mail. So today I received offer letter. So when was region? So Hyderabad region and 8th May means her interview was there. Now talking a little bit about the her experience in interview. So she said it really went well from the interview. I understood that where I should improve myself. I mean, this is all about mock interview. So that's the friends, in every video I'm saying mock interview will play a critical role. Okay, either you are giving or participating in my mock interview or not, but must give at least one mock interview, then only you will get. So if you have interview further, then must give at least one. You can say this one the reason updates. Hey, I got interview on 13th May for TCS prime role in Hyderabad, but I still didn't get the result. So friends, you can see just 10 days are there and how can you expect the result so fast? Okay, so you have to be patient, you have to be, what can I say, calm enough. Okay, because especially for the prime candidates, I'm saying, and digital candidates, they are taking some time. Okay, it might happen that some of the friends also get the mail in the same day but you are not getting, but you have to be patient. Okay, it depends on your role, it depends on business requirement, it depends on your performance in the interview. That there are means lots of things. So the main thing I want to tell, you have to wait, especially if you have the window of 30 to 45 days, then आपको भी patience रहना चाहिए. But बहुत सारे candidates बोल रहे भैया I have given interview on 30th March or this date, then I haven't got any updated. Then I will suggest friends, move on. Okay, don't depend completely on this. Still, if your luck will be there, you might get the offer letter or the joining dates and all those things, but I will suggest move on and look for some other important indicator. For example, you can say this is one of the candidates, they registered and they basically didn't apply for the drive. They are asking that can I get the mail. So after window closing, if you're applying, then you will not get mail. Okay, so don't wait for this, like whether I will get test mail or not. Those who are in waiting period, they know they only will get. For example, these candidates, they got the batch status at 20th April and they got the interview and they are waiting. So yeah, you can wait because just 20th April and around 26, so around just 30 to 40 days are there. So minimum you should wait at least for 2 months. If you are not getting, then move on. Okay, and especially don't depend on single company. Okay, you should keep applying for other. This is one of the conversation you can see in my group. So he was basically selected for the prime role and he got offer letter on April 7 and recently he got the joining date. So it depends on the location. For talking about the region, for what location students are getting mostly, so from Hyderabad region, Kolkata, and certain people from the Indore regions are getting, and some also from the Chennai region. So it depends on the location and all things. You can say brother, 30 April interview, TCS NQT prime role, got document submission mail, bill offer will get for same prime role. So it depend on that. It might be degraded or it depend on your performance, how you've given and what are the requirements. So if you got the document verification mail, this is a positive sign of getting selections. You will get the offer letter soon. And students from other batches like 2026 also getting the joining date. So they also have confusion that I don't have any degree certificate, then how I will join. So TCS is providing facility that you can submit it later. Okay, so the main things want to friend, if you got the result, first of all congratulations and all the best for your future careers. And if you didn't get, you have to be patient enough. Okay, अगर waiting period आपका more than 2 months है, आपको भाई इस पे means रखना नहीं है. Okay, कि that I will get or not. Move on and keep applying for other drive. Okay, there are lots of hiring is going on and I've already provided updates. Okay, for some students are also getting the joining date, not July 17, they are getting the joining dates. So for some candidates, especially Kolkata based candidates, the regions, or you can say the phases of this result and offer letter and joining dates is so fast and so smooth. So if you have applied from the Kolkata region, then I must comment whether you got the offer letter or joining dates and all those things or not. Talking about from other offers, means other region, मैंने already बता दिया, हैदराबाद का ज़्यादा आ रहा है, then Kolkata, then some candidates from Chennai, Indore limited means result is coming out, and for Gurgaon also limited result is coming, and for Pune region again they are taking some time. So you have to be calm enough. Okay, if you have apply, means you have lots of examples like Infosys and other tribes are there, so keep applying of that and hope for the best. Again saying, don't completely depend on one single company, keep applying. Even if you got the offer letter, keep applying for other tribe. You should have multiple offer and I hope you will be selected. COVID out, feel free to ask her. I am always here to help you, and you can join our WhatsApp or Telegram group for getting any updates. Whenever any update came, then students are itself, they are informing that I got the offer letter, I got the joining dates, I got this, I mean, this is my interview experience. So you can join that. Hope informative to you. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask here. I am always here to help you. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta, or anywhere. You can ask your query there. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.